I've been wanting a custom keyboard for a while now, and not like like a Razer or Amp Pro 2, but like a brand new custom board. Yes, I could have been fine getting one of those keyboards, but I've been looking on YouTube, a whole lot of keyboard YouTubers, all that stuff, and a bunch of different type of sound tests, and yeah, so I ended up buying one of those. So I've been looking around what kind of board I wanted, full size keyboard, TKL. Do I go with 75% to 60%? Lower than that? If you guys go less than 60%, what's wrong with you? At first, I wanted to go with the KPD fans, but when I look at the price, yeah, I'm not paying that for my first board. Hell no. So at the end of the day, I went with this guy on TikTok. And yes, TikTok. At first, it was kind of sketch, not gonna lie. Honestly, who goes to TikTok and buys a custom board? But overall, it turned out really, really nice, and I like it a lot. So pretty much what the specs of the board became being is that it became a Bakeneko 6% white with hot swappable PCB, with loop quartz switches, with Durok Stabs, with PE, Foam and Tempest, and clone keycaps being Bento. I really do like the Bento keycaps. I do like the little ramen on the escape button, and the enter key being that whole entire design. I don't know, it's very simple and I like it, so overall I do like the board. It feels amazing. At first it was kind of trippy, it being linear and me having this previous board for 5 years. Yeah, that is pretty bad. Overall, it's a linear switch and there's a little bit more resistance to it, but I think if you bottom out, it's less travel time in my opinion. I don't know, I'm not too sure. I haven't tested a whole lot of switches. I only have blues in my life, so just bear with me. So when it came to buying a new board, I pretty much changed out my peripherals. I basically changed out my mousepad, and this mousepad I got it from Etsy, and I also got a USB coiled cable from Tez. The quality feels nice, and it looks good. That's all I'm gonna say. With all that said, here's the sound test. Alright, so that sound test was a bit scuffed, but I'll link on the screen real quick and it'll show you a proper sound test. So that's pretty much, that sound test was pretty much from the keyboard maker himself, Initi? I don't know, dude. I don't know how to pronounce your name, so it's kind of difficult. But yeah, I'll link his store somewhere as well, and his TikTok if you guys want to see what he does. Some of you guys already know that I already unboxed on stream, so I want a dedicated video to this board. And if you haven't followed me on Twitch yet, follow me on twitch.tv/mindless. Okay. But overall, this video was much more different than usual. So let me know in the comments if you guys, enjoy these type of videos and if I should do more of this type of style of editing / film. Wait, why did I say film? But yeah, overall, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!